Recently, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change celebrated 30 years of Project Elephant. Project Elephant is a centrally sponsored scheme launched in 1992. Project Elephant aims to protect elephants and improve their habitat in corridors, reducing human-elephant conflict. It provides financial and technical support to wildlife management efforts by states for their free-ranging populations of wild Asian elephants. Currently, India has the largest and the most stable population of Asian elephants, where more than 60% of wild Asian elephants are in India. The Nilgiri landscape has the largest single population of the endangered Asian elephant anywhere in the world.